Now, what is an edge location? Edge location is the third-party data center, which is not owned by AWS, but is owned by the companies like Tata and Reliance in India. So we have around three edge locations in India: Pune, Chennai, and New Delhi. So the whole idea behind edge location is to expedite the process. Okay. So what edge location do? They store the content as cache in their data centers, and if somebody requests the same information again, rather than going to the actual server in one of the regions, it goes to the nearest edge location to fetch that information so that the process can be completed as early as possible. So we will have a detailed discussion on edge location with CloudFront. When we take up the exercise on CloudFront, we will discuss there. So it is the CDN, that is Content Delivery Network. So the whole idea behind edge location, there are currently 54 edge locations in all over the world. We have three in India: Pune, Delhi, and Chennai. Now, you might be asking, like, what exactly is the benefit of dividing the entire Amazon infrastructure in different regions and availability zone? So first is high availability, right? So let us say I showed you this website called cloudping.info. It makes the entire system highly available, like McDonald's. Any part of the world you go, you will find one McDonald's there, except in China, I guess. So that is really highly available, right? So that it can cater to the requirements of the different populations all over the world. Then continuity. Now let us say that one of the availability zone in India, in Mumbai, is not working due to power off or flood or any disaster that has happened there. So the other availability zone is there to back it up, right? To back up the things, the other availability zone is there. Then we have data residency. Now what is data residency? United States is big, right? It's huge. So we have California. The data laws in California is different than data laws in North Virginia or in Oregon or Sao Paulo. So it's in order to meet the data requirements in different regions, we have to set up the data center in that particular region. Then expansion. So AWS is globally expanded. That's the reason it is number one. It is available. It caters to the need of all over the world, be it in India or China or Singapore, or you talk about the country and you will find one data center there near to that. If not there, then nearby to it. Okay, so that is what it talks about availability zones. Any questions so far, Anu, Rajan, Harka?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
No, I just have questions for further on account creations for Amazon console
Mhm.
on support plan. So which one we have to choose? Basic, developer, business, enterprise.
Yeah, go with the basic one because that is free.
And then we go to launch management console or contact sales.
Launch management console.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'm in pay. Mhm.
All right. So any questions you have afterwards, you can contact me on WhatsApp or you can drop me an email. No issues with that. Okay. And
Uh, so
so
are you going to send us all the video for whatever you taught in the class?
yeah, definitely all these videos are recorded, and
Mhm.
after the class, I'm going to send them to your individual email IDs.
So whatever we learn on a class should be good for the job, or we have to learn some extra from
I
some
think
other.
the class will be good because all the examples that I will be sharing are the real-time examples. So yeah, they will be applicable in your job as well. I'm using them in my current job. So all the examples will be real time.
So we are writing, we do in coding too, right? Or we just
No, no coding required. Only some Linux commands you should be familiar with.
no, just the command.
That's right.
So no programming language or any.
No, no programming required.
No.
All right.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. So now let us discuss something about EC2. So as I said, EC2 is one of the initial services from AWS, which is a virtual server in the cloud. So it's like you go to the market and you tell the shopkeeper, give me a laptop with 1 terabyte of hard drive and 8 GBs of RAM with Core i7 processor, and he says, okay, I'm going to charge you like $300 for that. Now, but with Amazon, you can build the better machine in just a fraction of the cost. Okay, it's like you will have to pay half a dollar, 50 cents for an hour, and you can get 10 times better machine than that, right? So that how cost effective it is. So when it comes to pricing, the security, service, latency, user location, everything is taken care by AWS. All right. So you can figure out the cost from this website, that is aws.amazon.com/EC2 instances, and you will get every information from here. So this is the URL, and this is a short video. You can watch it if you have time, around 4 minutes, and it will explain you what exactly EC2 is all about. So you can go in instance types, and like you go to McDonald's, you say, I need a burger, small burger, large, extra large, then they charge you accordingly. Of course, the cost for extra large is more as compared to the medium or small burger. So same as here, T2.micro is cheap. Okay, it's free with the free tire. M4.large is expensive. M4.extra large more expensive. M4.double extra large, M4.quadra extra large, M4.10 extra large, 16 extra large. So prices go up because you get better configuration. All right, you still scroll down the page, you get better options which are even more costly. So it depends like which machine you want to go with. They have got all the variety. All right, having said that, it also depends on the real estate cost. Like the real estate cost in London is more than in Mumbai, or so the data center that will be hosted there, Amazon has to shell out more money. So ultimately they are going to charge from your pocket, right? So what they will do, let us say you have hosted one virtual server in London. So it will be bit more expensive than the virtual server hosted in Mumbai. Okay. So that way you have to take care. So EC2 is the virtual server in the cloud. Yeah, EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. So we will learn how to create a virtual server in the cloud tomorrow, and I will basically show you. So the task for today is please create a free tire account in AWS, and I have given you a brief overview about EC2. My AWS account is not working right now, so what I'm gonna do, I will fix it. Okay, Rajan did it, which is good. Anoop has it, and I guess Haraka will create it too. So we will meet again tomorrow, and I will work on my AWS account as well, and I will show you how to create our first virtual server in the cloud, and we will take it up from there. Any questions for me till now? Rajan, Anoop, Haraka?
I'm good, thank you. So what are the account we are creating for this class? So after we get into the Amazon console, that's all, or we have to create some extra account
No,
too?
that's it. Only one account you have to create.
That's
So
all we have to do on this URL, on this page?
there are other services, 60 plus services that we will discuss. We will discuss in next 15-20 days. Okay.
Mhm.
So as of now, you just have to create the account, and if you can get your hands on with creating a virtual server, it will be easy to understand the things tomorrow. I could have explained it today, but unfortunately my AWS account is not working. So I will have to fix that first, and then we will meet again tomorrow. I think I will be good with creating the first virtual server.
So on real world, on like on like when we working, so this is the way that we work, or it should be the different, it's a little advanced, or
In the real world, I will be sharing all the examples with you. Today and yesterday we covered theory part only, but trust me, it's not going to be theory from tomorrow. It's going to be
Mhm.
more of practical sessions that we will be having. So so more practical and less theory.
All right. So this is just the concepts to the definition. Okay then. So yeah, we will see from tomorrow then.
Yeah, definitely. Because it is necessary to understand theory first and then go with the hands-on demonstration, because if I straight away go to the hands-on demonstration, then that might create a problem.
So this is for the window or for the Linux. We are it work for the both.
It works for both. That's right. We will be discussing the Linux as well as Windows environment both.
All right. So coding, I mean the commands should be with window commands or CMD, or is like with it there should be different tools, so different command.
The commands, we would not require any extra software as such, but everything will be like available free of cost on the internet. So yeah, you need not to worry
Oh,
about that. Yeah.
but you're not using the window tools, right? I mean window commands, right? Like window commands, window CMD. We're not using those, right, for the commands?
For commands, we will definitely be using CMD.
Oh,
Yeah. But most of the times, we will be creating a Ubuntu virtual server. Let us say we have created a Ubuntu virtual server. So that would not be the GUI based, that will be the CLI based command line interface. So we will be performing the demonstrations on that. All right. Any more questions you have, Harka or Anu
so,
or Rajan?
Good.
so we're not doing on the GUI, right?
No, GUI we would not be dealing with, only CLI.
All right.
All right.
All right then. See you tomorrow.
Okay. All right. So I will send you the recordings. Harka, please share your email ID with me.
Yeah, sure. We'll send it in. Our class will be start from the same time, or
From same time, 8 a.m. IST. So it will be like you are in CST.
yeah, I'm a CST.
Okay. So it will be 9:30 p.m. for you.
All right.
Yeah. Please drop your email ID there in the chat window.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. I have got your email and I will forward you the recording there. Thank you. Yeah, definitely, Rajan. Please, the class will start sharply at 8 a.m. IST. Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you also. Good night.
All right.
Thanks. Bye.